Okay, welcome to my channel. I'm making the car. I think this is the only thing I know how to make, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna make all these. Put them here. And this is, oh my goodness, how do I do this? How do I do this? Okay. I put them right here. Right here. No, I don't even know where to put these. Anyway, right here is fine. No room. No room. Everywhere, no room. So this is the pork loin. I got that at Kroger. They have a sale where you buy 69 cents a pound. And if you make the car, these are the must. You know. And I kind of cut it randomly, about 3 inches or less, because I figure the bigger the meat, the harder it cook. I mean, it takes longer to cook. I got all ingredients today. And after I went to the gym, I went to Fred Meyer to buy meat, green onion, garlic, and lemon and lime. I don't know, we need lemon and lime in this. I don't think so. Anyway, so this is shallot. It smells better with shallot. Doesn't it? Oh, no one's here. It's real. Oh, the crazy ad is not real. Okay, bye. Whoa. And Mr. Beast is real. Wow, you tell? Yeah. So the crazy part wasn't real. Yep, that's you. They're not real. See? No, don't worry about it. Bye. Yep. This is not where is the Christmas set. Oh, your best behavior. You have to be on your best behavior. Okay, shallot. So we got shallot, we got onion, and then we kind of put them together, and then you cook it. I'm not going to cook a lot of the meat, just a little bit, because, you know. Oh, my eye burned. So today I'm making a car. I do not know how to cook a lot, but these are the only things I know how to cook. So, Điều gì làm đấy cũng không mẹ hả? I keep thinking about things that happened in California. Make me so mad, you know? Just make me really, really mad, but whatever, it don't matter now. So all the pork are done. What else do I need? Nope, we don't need green onion. I need to wrap up the pork. So these I go back to the freezer. You know how it is around here. Freezer. So we are here. Yeah. Let me get up. Da, da, da. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my gosh. And then we got to do sub garlic, sub. What's up? What's up? It's hard to open the ear. Oh. What's up? What's up? What's up? I want to grill fresh garlic. This is hard. Oh, here we go. So you put some in here. And then you have some peppers. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Peppers. And then we got garlic salt. Here we got garlic salt, yeah. And then we got oh God. Look at the soy sauce. Where does soy sauce go? I don't know. Just use this. Oh, the soy sauce. It's so hard to open this thing. Joy sea sauce. Joy sea sauce. Oh, I forgot to buy look, Mommy. Oh no. Anyway, I don't have enough ingredient to make the apple. Okay. So we got, oh, gotta clean all these mess. Anyway, let's start a fire. Ta-da! Cooking utensil here. Can you get that? stuff, but I didn't know. Yeah, stuff. Yep. Okay. And for me, that's all there is to it. Ah! Jesus. I dropped all the carrot on the floor. Oh my god. So much for breakfast preparation. I want some carrot for the color, but there are no more carrots, so let's do a paprika for the red, green, and blue. You know how it is. We want colorful decor. So let's put in this. The one thing I don't have is soy sauce. I don't know why. Not soy sauce, fish sauce. I forgot to buy at the market. So this is patient, very patient. You have to cook and you cook and you cook until you blue in the face. So you kind of like, you know, wait for it to suck it in. Oh yeah, I forgot to put in Vita Coca. This is to make it sweet. So when it's sucked in, you don't have to creatine. There we go. No. So I went out and bought some energy drink, pork, and since I worked out for 2 hours, I didn't have the phone with me to film anything. I forgot my phone inside the car. It was too cold. It was like 4 degrees outside or more. But anyway, what am I gonna say? These pork are good if you have a little bit of fish sauce inside. But since I don't have it, put in a lemon. Get the oh my god. Anyway, without fire. Actually, I need some peppers. I don't have any peppers. I forgot peppers. Like it's spicy. Yum! So you let it cook for like another 45 minutes. Let all the meat suck, all the meat smaller, and then you put I don't have dry. I forgot to put in dry. You can do more. Oh well, I think this. the meat you eat with rice. I'm going to make some rice. So much time, so much time, so much time. 16 minutes. Ouch. 16 minutes. To cook, clean, and put it together. Let it sit for another 30 minutes. Then you can eat with kimchi. See that, how good it is? Kimchi and rice. So again, I have to let it sit. My God. So the pan is too small for this, but I'm gonna have it work afterward. Okay, see you next video. Bye.